What's that? Are you speaking with intent?
Yeah, my wife.
What does she say?
Pretty much the same thing.
Yeah.
Very soft-spoken. I haven't seen any amongst my family and friends, but my wife knows this is the difference.
Has she said anything?
Yeah, she has. She can tell quite a bit. I've changed.
Great.
What?
And I'm sorry.
Oh, gosh.
I can't hear him. I say I'm sorry.
I'm clear, my speech is clear
Okay.
and louder.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Have often urged him to walk more and smoke less, but he always answers bananoid. He likes to be modern in his language. We have often urged him to walk more and smoke less, but he always answers banana oil. Grandfather likes to be modern in his language.
When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act like a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act like a prism and form a rainbow. A rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear darling, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear darling, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ken. Happy birthday to you. Well, I feel a lot more positive about myself, more confident, and my wife says I don't have to speak up all the time.
Being able to communicate. Yeah.
Yeah.
When you can't talk clearly, people think you're stupid.
I need to speak with intent.
Good.